Did you know that the fashion designer of Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Fendi has designed a Chinese premium EV car called the AVATR 012? Now, I've had the opportunity to meet the legendary Kim Jones himself and the car designer Nader Faghihzadeh. Let's hear about their design story. You're a fashion designer, and Nader, he's a car designer. And when working together on the 012, do you have any fun brainstorming ideas? Were there any disagreements, like the color, using of the color or the materials? Anything fun that you can share with us?
I mean, it was just really hard to get the paintwork right because it's something they hadn't been able to do before. But I kept on pushing, and he's really easy to work with. It was very, very easy and nice process. It wasn't difficult at all. It was like a simple, yes, that could be possible, no, that couldn't. And I trust him because he knows what he's doing. So it was very straightforward.
And is there any fashion inspiration that we can see from the car that we can relate to, like handbags or clothing or anything like that?
It's purely to do with my furniture in my home and my home itself. It's about a lifestyle rather than fashion.
Actually, this project was a kind of dialogue between two different designers and two different fields of design converging. And car design and fashion design, they have some similarities, maybe in some layers. Mm-hmm. This project was called 012 Kim Jones. So AVATR, the meaning of AVATR is the mirror of you, the embodiment of you in different dimensions. So this car is also a embodiment of Kim Jones. We didn't have any, let's say, discourse about I want this, no, I want that. Mm-hmm. There were some options already. We decided what can succeed till the end. So by looking at the architectures of his home, it was very clear. So first, what is the foundation of this great architecture he has? Very open space and very bold. So this was the foundation of similarity to exterior. We said the liquid metal color is something reflecting the same effect from the exterior design to our architecture. In terms of interior, what is the great taste? So he showed already some of his collections, like rugs or some furniture, where we discussed some combinations of colors within this great home. Brown aniline leather, which is a very high-end leather. So even on some of the bags from Louis Vuitton, this was used in the past, which he was also the designer. Or he had also some other artifacts from collections, even his artwork. So we tried to bring this very pure dimension of this home to the car and connect to the story of the car to understand what are important topics to create this very inviting and warm and kind of cozy interior, because he likes relaxing, sitting in the second row, being driven, and so it was quite an easy story. The chemistry was very easy, I have to say.
All right, the next question is, as AVATR's design leader, how do you keep the brand's style consistent while adding some new surprises? Like, for example, the AVATR 06, it's got a new headlight, right? It's a completely new design. Is there any other design elements that will become AVATR's signature in the future?
First of all, it's important that our designs are recognizable. From far away, you can see it's an AVATR. When the car comes, that the face can speak to you that there's an icon of AVATR. And actually, this was important for us. The signature of the lights, this F-shaped light or this disrupted eyebrow with the signature is something distinctive for AVATR. And since the day running light is the most important light, this was the focus to design this one in the, let's say, boldest manner, where the high-low beams are outsourced somewhere else. So this gives us opportunity to shape the signature and the general shape of the car in a very integrated way. So the lights are one of the important things. Usually we do something special on the rear end. For example, enabled by Norway window. It has also some functional effects. You have more space, it has better acoustics, and it gives more design freedom also to make the rear very distinctive. This makes it feel more expensive even and futuristic at the same time. This is our DNA 1.0 with the 4 cars.
Yes.
And now we will look forward into the DNA 2.0.
Thank you very much. That was very educating. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you so much.
Wow, you look great.
Oh, thank you very much.
So vibrant.
First of all, I appreciate you saying this looks vibrant because I've been getting some doubts about, a man wearing all pink, and I've been getting,
You must be a
questions.
very strong man to
Thank you very much. That's exactly what I tell them.